Welcome to our tutorial on how to make your phone number visible to everyone on Facebook. In this updated guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to update your privacy settings and share your contact information with a wider audience. Let's dive right in. First, grab your smartphone and open up the Facebook app. Once you're on your newsfeed, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap it. Now, scroll down through the menu options until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that, and then select Settings from the drop-down. In the Settings menu, you'll want to find the Accounts Center section. Under this, tap on Personal Details. This is where Facebook keeps all your important information. Next, look for Contact Info and tap on it. You should see your phone number listed here. Give it a tap to open up the options for this specific piece of information. Here's where the magic happens. Tap on Facebook account and then change visibility on Facebook. This is where you can control who sees your phone number on your profile. Finally, you'll see a list of privacy options. To make your number visible to everyone, simply choose Public from the list. And there you have it. Your phone number is now set to be visible to all Facebook users. Remember, sharing your contact information publicly is a personal choice, so make sure you're comfortable with this level of visibility. Thanks for watching our guide on making your phone number public on Facebook. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. Until next time, happy Facebooking!